Hey guys, this is Anthony from Rocket Prints, and thanks for watching this video today. Today I'm going to show you how I make money using a program and two companies that help me design a t-shirt and send it off to social media where the t-shirt becomes available for purchase. Okay guys, so the first company that I use is this company called Printful. So Printful is an on-demand order fulfillment and warehouse service that fulfills and ships product including clothing, accessories, and home living items for online businesses. It's free to set up and doesn't come with monthly fees or minimum order requirement. They produce only what's ordered, making print on demand the more conscious and responsible choice over bulk manufacturing. So all you need to do is connect your online store to Printful, and whenever someone buys an item, the order is automatically sent to them and they fulfill and ship it back to the customer. The second company that I use is this company called Placeit, and their goal is to marry design and technology to create high quality branding and marketing tools so anyone from individuals to large companies can create amazing visual assets for their brand regardless of technical and artistic skills. They take pride in turning complex designs and layout problems into ridiculously easy to use tools for their users. So here you can see that they generate mockups, freebies, all kinds of accessories, iPads, travel mugs, t-shirts, sweatshirts, sublimations, hats, garments, free image croppers, and they have designs ready for YouTube templates, Twitter posts, Twitter headers, Twitter templates, Twitch templates, and t-shirt designs. They also have logos, they have videos, and they have gaming accessories as well. So these two companies that I'm going to be using, I'm going to walk you through how I use them, creating my own design, uploading on these two platforms, and then posting it onto my webpage, and then pushing it out through social media. So with that, hope y'all like this video, and please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment. And now let's go and get this started.
To the next level.
All right, guys. So here's Coreldraw X8. I'm going to go ahead and create a T-shirt here. I'm going to use this phrase this preacher was talking about one time I was at church. I thought it was pretty cool. I thought it sends a powerful message. And you're a believer in Christ. This is definitely, I felt that moved me, and I feel that strongly that sometimes people need to hear this or be reminded about this to help them get themselves motivated out of the rut they're in and get them back up on their feet and be able to move forward. We're going to use all caps here. God is, sorry about that. God is working in us. God is working on us. And the last one is going to be God is working out us. Okay? So I'm going to take these three, then I'm going to add a picture here, but first let's go ahead and center this. Okay, so I imported this picture that I also want to use here. Okay, and let's go ahead and bring these out to the fullest capacity as we can. And right there. And we're going to go ahead and give it a different type of font here. Now, I like to use this Placeit regular. Stretch the words out a little bit more. And let's break the image apart. don't want to go outside the margins here. Okay? So now, just a simple t-shirt like that, but it sends a powerful message. We want this image to be able to place it onto a black t-shirt. That's what I'm going for. And what I'm going to do in Coreldraw is I'm going to go to Effects, Transform, Invert Color. And if you go to Wireframe, you can see that it's right there. See what it looks like. Then I'm going to export it into a PNG file. And then we're going to go ahead and save it into my desktop. Now once the image is created, now what you want to do, you go to Printful.com. Now I'm going to just hit New Template. I'm going to select the t-shirt that I want. So we're going to go ahead and use men's clothing, all t-shirts. And we'll go ahead and take, we'll take this one right here. The Unisex Basic Soft Style t-shirt at Gildan 64,000, sorry. Alright, we're going to use black. And then it tells you, it's very simple, it tells you to drop your design here. Once it's uploaded, you can go ahead and put your design. Alright, and then you can stretch it out. You just don't want to go over past the borderline, the big borderline. You see that? It'll let you know if you exceeded the margin. So you just want to bring it down to that pop-up goes away, and that looks like it's decent size. And you just hit continue. Click all sizes if you want. Now I have 2 stores, and I'm going to choose my Shopify store that I have, my webpage. And then it tells you what type of mockup you want to be placed onto your site. Okay, it gives you, so you can choose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the flat style mockup. Okay, and it already hand describes everything for you about this t-shirt, which is cool. You're not doing any legwork. This is so crazy how simple this is. Okay, the only thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to provide your own tags. So I'm just going to do t-shirt for right now because I just want to show you how simple this is. Okay. Alright, so there's my tag. Then you're going to go ahead and pick a name, pick one or more. So I'm just going to put homepage. I want it to be on my homepage in my website. And then proceed to pricing. And here you're going to go to proceed to pricing, and then you're going to select how much money do you want to make off this shirt. So it's up to you. So considering that I just let this, I let it auto-generate the price for me. So right now this t-shirt from a small to an extra large, it's going to cost the consumer $7.95. The retail price, the Printful price is $7.95. The retail price is going to be from $11 to $15.50. That's what they're telling you that you can charge up to. So we'll go ahead and put it at $11. 2X and 3X obviously have different prices. And if I make a sale, this is the profit. It tells you right here. This is the profit that I'm going to make. I'm going to make $3.05 for selling this t-shirt. Not bad for making a t-shirt less than 5 minutes. I'm going to make $3. So this is so cool, and it's just amazing what you can do nowadays. Okay, so after that you're going to submit to the store, and then it tells you right here, adding new product to store. I told you that this is an affiliate program that I've added myself to because I think this program is so cool. This webpage site is so cool. You don't even need Coreldraw to do this. Okay, you can see it's auto-generating right now. Search library. And literally they're telling us that they have 64,061 smart templates that you can use to generate your own t-shirt, generate your own phrases, your own catchy themes, and you can place them onto their smart templates. Okay? And then as well, you can design your own stuff and then place it on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my design image and I'm going to place it on a mock-up. The first one, I want to go to Mockups, and I'm going to go to T-shirt. But before I do this, I want to show you the pricing. You can pay $14.95 a month, or you can go with the one that I've chosen, the $89.69 a year, and you save 50% off, and it's unlimited. So you get unlimited mockups, unlimited designs, videos, and logos. Okay. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and log in. Let's go and create the t-shirt. So we're going to go to the mockups, click t-shirt. You can generate anything you want it to do. So if you just want to select men, you can select men. Right there, it's telling you they have 3,000 something images that you can go ahead and choose from. If you want to do women, same thing. All right, you got a lot of choices here. So in this particular case, we're going to go ahead and go back to all. I just want to use just a regular t-shirt that's hanging on this coat here. Okay, it's got a nice gray background. We're going to change the cut t-shirt to the color black, and we're going to insert our image. So it's going to insert it at a 750 by 1200 pixel. We're going to upload it. Okay, now that I've selected my image, I got it there. Now it's kind of hard to see because we transformed it and we inverted the colors, but you can still see it. Probably a better view on my side, but I'm going to raise it up a little bit and maybe crop it down some. And this is a crop tool, so you can use that to crop your image. You can shrink it down or blow it up. So it's just a simple toolbar. So I'm going to crop it, and then it's going to upload it on t-shirt. And there you go, guys. So now I'm going to take that t-shirt and I'm going to go ahead and download it into my email. There it's done. I'm going to go ahead and go to my webpage, which is going to be www.rockandprints.com, and I'm going to hit shop now. And here you're going to go ahead and find my t-shirt, and boom, there it is. And there's my t-shirt, guys. There it is on my webpage, ready for purchase. And I can direct people to my webpage and go ahead and do it and go ahead and make a purchase. And this only took me literally right now, it's probably taking me 20 minutes or less to get all this stuff done. Okay? Isn't this cool? This is so cool. So with that, once you're done, then you can go ahead and post your image to Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Snapchat, TikTok. You can go ahead and post your stuff online. Now, if you wanted to see if you wanted to also do a mock-up, generate like a video or anything else, you have that leisure to do that. Okay, all you need to do is just go back to Placeit, and you can see here, you can add this to videos. You can do all kinds of crazy stuff with this thing. You can go to Video Maker. You can do t-shirt videos. You can take your image, and let's take this lady right here. It looks like this is just blowing up on this video. There's a lot going on with this video, so we can do that. We can take the t-shirt, change it to black, insert the image again. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and hit play just so it can see what it looks like. And check that out. These are all cool designs that you can use using Placeit. And again, I will leave the link down below. See if you're interested. Is this something that you would like to purchase on your own and get your mock-up started and placing them on your own social media. And then get your mock-up started and placing it onto your own social media. So if you like that, check it out. It's a great tool. So with that, that's how you get this. That's how you use this tool. This is a different platform. It's very easy. You don't need a plotter cutter anymore. You don't need sublimation printing. You don't even need a printer or a plotter cutter. All you need now is just a computer, some software to purchase, and you're good to go. Okay? And then upload all your information on your social media, which we all know is free. So check it out. And again, thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks again. Y'all have a safe week. We'll see you guys back next week. Thanks for watching.
Take it to the next level.